Okay guys, so welcome to our DNC Auto Repair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what are exactly the things that we are doing here in DNC Auto Repair. So come and check it out. So here, we have one customer which is owning a Pajero, which is having a lower arm and upper arm issue. So as you can see, come inside. So we have another Pajero again. So here we are doing the major maintenance wherein engine works are needed to be done immediately. So as you can see, DNC Auto Repair is specialized to all Pajeros, and not only Pajeros but also different Japanese cars, European cars. So as you can see in our logo, we are currently having a different brands that we are expert in. So come again. So I'm gonna show you the other cars that we are working. Yeah. So as you can see here, we have another Pajero. We have another Land Cruiser here. Okay, a Toyota Land Cruiser works. As you can see in my behind, there's also a Nissan Patrol which is doing the AC work. So just to give you a small, explanation about this. It's not an easy task to do the Nissan Patrol AC. As you can see, we are removing all the internal parts, okay, or the external parts of the car in order for us to see each system. So what we are doing exactly is we are cleaning the system of the AC itself, and we are using a genuine part just to make sure that the repair that we are going to do in your car will get its satisfaction. So come here, I'm gonna show you another work. So here, we've done a huge amount of work in this car. This car is a Nissan Xterra 4x4 4.0, owning by one Filipino guy, which, you know, a regular customer of DNC Auto Repair. So the issue for this car, it has, an overheat issues. We do the skimming of the head. Because of the multiple overheat occurs, it damaged the surface of the head. So what we've done here is a major engine work. Plus, we've do the AC, okay? Full system service on this car. So hopefully this car will be released today. So guys, here, I'm gonna show you. So we have a lots of Pajeros as you can see around. So what are you waiting for, guys? So if you have some inquiries about your car, just go ahead and message us directly to our Facebook page, and you can also do our WhatsApp. We are going to give you the transparency. So what's exactly the problem of your car? That is the only thing that we are going to address it. We won't charge you anything extra, and whatever we charge you or whatever parts that we charge you, you are really assured that we are going to put it inside your car. That's why if you're gonna go ahead and see our Facebook, we are uploading our Facebook Reels, okay? To make sure that everything that you paid for is what exactly your car is getting into. So that's it, guys. So thank you so much for all your support, for all the trust that you are giving to DNC Auto Repair. God bless you guys, and let's keep moving.